beautiful artists, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Iman. I'm giving a tutorial drawing video for kids and beginners. Just before we start, I want to say thank you so much for who subscribed to my channel. We will arrive soon 300 subscribers. I'm so excited about this number. Thank you so much that you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll put the button here, I think so, from here, and you can follow me in Instagram and Facebook if you like that. And yeah, let's go. So for our tutorial today is how to draw a mouse. And this month I'm doing a challenge. In these 30 days I will upload a video every single day. My videos are for beginners. For me to start with kids drawing is the best advice I can give you guys to start learning with. That's why we'll start with animals drawing. Some people will think we will draw like this or this. No. We are not that professional to learn like that drawings, but it looks so beautiful, I know. But we can't for this moment to draw like that. So that's why we'll start with this drawing and this drawing, because it's so simple and easy and so cute. I love this drawing so much. I think you will like it too, guys. So don't forget subscribe. I will put the button here, and you can follow me in Facebook or Instagram as you like. So yeah, let's go to our studio.
Oh darling, if I had bought you flowers, would you still be here by my side? Yeah, I thought this moment could be ours, while I'm walking lonely through the night. You can break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart. You should fucking stay with him. You should fucking stay with him. Darling, if I had bought you flowers, what if you stayed at home the night? Yeah, I've been lonely counting hours, while I'm getting blinded by the light. You can break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart. You should fucking stay with him. You should fucking stay with him. Break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart. Oh darling, if I had bought you flowers, would you still be here by my side? Yeah, I thought this moment could be ours, while I'm walking lonely through the night. You can break my bones, break all the promises, fucking stay with him. Fucking stay with him. Darling, if I had bought you flowers, what if you stayed at home the night? Yeah, I've been lonely counting hours while I'm getting blinded by the light. You can break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart. You should fucking stay with him. Fucking stay with him. Break my bones, break all the promises, but leave me alone. Don't break my heart. Oh darling, if I had bought you flowers, would you still be here by my side? Yeah, I thought this moment could be ours.
So guys, we are at the end of the video. I wish my videos was helpful for you to learn how to draw easily and something cute like this. And see you next video. Bye bye.